Welcome to our tutorial on the MyMarkets chart module. To open the chart module, click on Modules in the top navigation bar, select Research and Analysis, and then click on Chart. The module will be added to your current dashboard. To choose a financial product, enter either the name, the WKN, or the ISIN into the search bar, and then select the trading venue where you would like to trade. In the Type drop-down menu, you define the chart's display type. Additionally, the time period for the price development can be freely adjusted depending on whether you want to view just the last few days or several years. Another important feature is the choice of price display. Available options include the absolute and the percentage display. Using the mouse wheel, you can zoom in or out at any point to analyze specific price trends in detail. The vertical lines represent the start of a new time period. For example, in the 2-day chart, they mark the beginning of a new trading day. In the weekly charts, they also mark weekends and holidays when no market data is available. The chart module can also be linked with other modules using link mode. This allows, for example, values to be automatically received from other modules and displayed. Clicking on the Buy or Sell button opens the corresponding order entry window. In addition, you can use the Alert function to be automatically notified of specific price changes. For more features and explanations, feel free to check out our blog. Thank you for watching.